no drain. I told her Colgate, baby, gotta keep your teeth straight. Yeah. Bay, I'm flexing, extensive. Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Shanika. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a DIY nails at home series because I do my own nails, baby. So the first thing you're going to do is go in with your regular nail polish remover. I got a manicure at the nail shop recently, so I just want to go ahead and remove that polish. I'm going in with my nail drill bit and just taking away all of the oils and everything off of my nails and just sanding them down, getting them ready and prepared for nail tips. The nail drill bit that I'm using, I got it from Amazon. If I remember, I'll try to link it down below for you guys. Now I'm going in with my Beauty Secrets 100 grit board that I got from my local Sally's, and just go ahead and reassure that my nails are extremely dry for, you know, the fake nails. I'm going in with these EC basket nails. I went ahead and applied them off camera. If you guys want a full video of that, be sure to let me know. I'm going in with this small nail drill bit and just go ahead and removing all of the excess glue that got stuck around my nail from the nail glue that I did use. Now I'm going in with my soft banding grit. Oh my god, I forgot the name of it. Anyways, just go ahead and buffing my nails just to get all of that shine away from them and prep them for the nail polish. So that's just pretty much what they look like in comparison together. So now I'm going in with my Sally Hansen Hardest Wrap nail polish, and I'm using this nail polish to ensure that my nails are strong, to ensure that they do not break, and to ensure that they are not flimsy. So that's just pretty much kind of what it looks like. It's kind of like a fake, well, it's like a prep for the gel polish. So that's just what they look like. Now I'm going in with my Nickel K Calcium Gel Nail Polish on top of the Sally Hansen, once again to ensure that my nails are strong and not flimsy and not super plastic. I love this calcium gel polish because it's just very strong. I'm using the Essence nail polish in the color Ballet Slippers, which is a very soft nude, very soft nude shade that I'm using. I didn't really know exactly what type of nail design that I was going for, but I did know that I did not want white nails, but I didn't want any color nails, so this is pretty much the color that I use. One of the colors out of my nail polish collection. So now that my nails are dry and everything, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my foils that I ordered off Amazon. I'm using the nail adhesive foil glue, also ordered off Amazon as well. I cut those pieces up in Sephora because I smudged my nails and I messed my nails up. I did not want to go back and take the nail polish off, you know, redo my nails. So I decided to do the design along the edge of my nails, as you guys can see, the way that I have placed the stencil onto my nails. That's just pretty much what it looks like. I'm going to put my hands in my UV gel lamp and cure them for 60 seconds. After curing my nails for 60 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and take my tweezers and remove that. And whatever design that the glue and the foil made, that's just pretty much what I went with. All of my nails did not get the full design, so that was something that I did not like. But, you know, it turned out pretty cool. Now going in on my next hand, which is a much clearer view. I'm going ahead and just removing those stencils away after curing my nails for 60 seconds with that adhesive. So like my thumb was a perfect transfer. Look at it. So to top it all off, I'm going in with my Beetles Top It Off Top Gel Coat, which I ordered off Amazon as well. It's very sticky. There's one thing I can say about this nail polish, this gel. I'm going ahead and curing my nails for 60 seconds. Going in with my No Name cuticle oil that I got from the Sally's as well. I'm going ahead and just applying that to my cuticles and just making sure that they are extremely soft. So this is just pretty much Oh, and then also I'm going in with my Beauty Secrets nail polish dry, and I'm just spraying my nails just, you know, to make sure they extra dry just because. But this is just pretty much what my nails turned out to be. If you guys want to see another nail video by me and the exact detail video, be sure to let me know. Stay twisted, boo. I'm going to see you in my next one.